What's going on, y'all? This episode of Cuffee Cultivation, we'll be taking a trip to Pete Rose Inc. something. Get some soil for these raised beds, and you know, get our garden started. You know what I mean? Plant something. It's a rainy day here. We'll try to work around it. Let's see what we can do. All right? Hit my music. We got the rental truck. We on our way to Pete Rose Foundation. I don't know the name of the place, but we on our way there to pick up some yards, some cubic yards of soil. You know, Cuffee Cultivation. How you doing over there, Big Facts?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, that's what we about to do. We on our way. I don't know what else you want me to tell you right now. It was a rainy day. All right, yeah, well, so we're here at Pete Rose Incorporated, here to pick up our soil for our raised bed garden. As you know from our earlier episodes, we like to make the soil ourselves, but this is a mass quantity of soil we're getting. We're renting a truck. You seen us earlier leaving with the truck. We're here with the truck, here at Pete Rose Incorporated. You know what I mean? So we're about to go pick up this soil, man. I'm very excited. About to get it started. The rain has stopped. You know, it's like God's looked down and said, you know what? I see what y'all trying to do. let it be so. Make it so. We got the whole family. The entire Cuffee Cultivation crew is on hand today to help out with this. Even got my boy Rudy to show up to lend a helping hand to fill up these beds. So it should be pretty fast work. Yeah, look at that soil. I hope that black was what we getting.
I think that's mulch.
Oh, you think so? So yeah, what you think, Jabbar? You think? Yeah, I think that you're right. I think that is mulch. Now that I'm closer up on it.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's mulch. All this is mulch. So let's see what the soil looks like we getting. A cubic yard. 1 cubic yard of soil.
It's still zoomed all the way.
Okay. It looks all right.
Could be better.
It could be better. I thought it could be a little bit blacker, but you know, it is what it is. Topsoil mixed with compost. So we will get it popping. Look at that. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Yikes.
Oh, that's a lot of dirt.
That is a lot of dirt. Is there any more?
All right. A little bit more? All right. A little bit more coming. All right, so we got a good amount of soil. We're gonna mix that up. We're gonna put some stuff in that when we get to the crib. We're gonna mix that up, make our little concoction, get it popping, throw it in the raised beds. I don't know if we're gonna get time to put the plants in the beds today. Depends on how long it takes us to get this into the beds itself. Listen, it's Cuffee Cultivation. How y'all doing? We out here, you know what I'm saying? Yesterday we went and we got some soil from Pete Rose Incorporated. That's what she looked like. You know what I mean? Go ahead, put it back. You spilling money. Look at that big worm in that that pile you just picked up. It's beautiful. Big worms in the pile already. So anyway, we only filled up 2 beds. We filled up this bed right here. Can y'all see that? And then we filled up one of these grow bag beds.
Yeah, I tried to pick it up. It
went back in there, didn't it?
It's like rooted in there.
Yeah.
Already.
So, you know what I mean? We got a couple more raised beds coming in the mail. We're gonna get those filled hopefully today. But right now what we're gonna do, yeah, it's a raised bed. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant some of our seedlings into these raised beds. We didn't finish recording from yesterday. Yesterday we actually showed us getting the soil and everything, it started raining real bad, so my camera's not waterproof, so we did not film that. But we're gonna film a little bit today. It's probably gonna rain again today. It looks kind of cloudy out here, but we're gonna do what we can do. You know what I'm saying? We got some tomato seeds, seedlings. We got some got my daughter out here running around. So, you know, follow us now on a journey. It's Cuffee Cultivation. Yeah, I mean, the name you can trust. Big facts. Joseph Cuffee. Janelle. Hey Janelle. Say what's up.
What's up? I for the neighborhood. I want to see many chefs. And you can get for the
I don't know anything she just said, but it was extra cute. That's at least 15 to 2,000 more views just for that.
Daddy, I'll do it.
You will do it. We'll be right back. Cuffee Cultivation. We transplanted a couple of our seedlings into this raised bed. All right, Janelle, sit down.
Now my hand is dirty.
Yeah, really dirty. So we transplanted some of our seedlings into the raised bed, the big bag bed we ordered off of Amazon. Pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? Not as big as I thought it would be. Oh, look, another worm. The worm, please bury that boy. I buried him already. But here's a tip. I buried him, Janelle. You can't see him. He's underground now. So here's a tip for people. You want to transplant your seedlings into your yard, your garden, or your raised bed. Bulb planters. If you have your seedlings in cups or whatever, this makes the perfect hole to transplant something from a cup to the ground. It's perfect. So open it up, put it in the ground, twist it, pull it up. Perfect hole for transplanting out of solo cups. Take a look at that. Perfect width, depth, everything you need. So what we did here was we planted some tomato plants and some pepper plants and a couple of basil plants. They're pretty close together. The tomato plants are spaced properly the way they should be. They're 2 feet apart, even though there's a couple of them living together in their holes, because I didn't want, they were entwined, so whoever makes it makes it. Then on the other side we got some pepper plants. They might be too close, but you know what I mean? It is what it is. They're a good girl. We be alright. Bless you. Bless you. Cover your mouth. And we got a little bit of basil right here. I don't know what's up with this coloration on the end of it. I don't know. I don't know too much about it. Might be bad. I don't know. I don't know. We'll find out later. She just threw dirt at me. Alright, so you know, we got things in our raised bed. We still got a gang of soil we got from Pete Rose Incorporated. That's going to go into our raised beds when we get them, the rest of them. It should be enough. If it's not, then we'll get some more. Ain't no big deal. But now, hold on real quick, Janelle. What we're going to do now is we got some cherry tomato plants and some other plants. We're going to put those in pots.
Daddy, you're not listening to me.
I said, hold on for a minute, baby.
Look at her face.
She bad. She bad. But yeah, cherry tomatoes and things like that, we're going to put those in the pots. And, you know, that's what we're about to do now. So, Cuffee Cultivation. My homeboy Big Facts behind the camera, zooming in and zooming out like he's wont to do. And, you know, my homegirl Janelle Cuffee, Little Facts.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We out here. So, what did you want, Janelle?
How you doing?
Good. I'm going to do, and you can do too.
What is that?
That's the deal that I want to do.
Want to say that again?
That's how you do.
Why did you say that so quietly? I don't know what you just said. Yikes. Get your life together. Get your life together. This man done brought out toilet water.
Alright, so this is Bokashi Juice. With the seeds we just transplanted, with the seedlings we're putting in the earth, we'll give them that first good watering with this Bokashi Juice. Now, this stuff smells wild. Wild. So
Yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna
yeah,
back
back
up
a little bit. It's wild and crazy.
Back up
You
and
get
just
this on your hands or something. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Ric Flair?
You can get some Ric Flairs going. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this in this bucket, 5-gallon bucket. I'm gonna fill the rest of it up with water, and I'm gonna use that to liberally water all these plants into their new homes. This Bokashi juice is like a miracle. It's amazing. Don't ever put this on there 100%. It will kill everything. It's too powerful. So, 1 cup of Bokashi, 5 gallons of water. Now if you look in here, you'll see all these bubbles coming off the Bokashi. Those are something, that's life, microorganisms. There's all types of life happening right there. Microbial life. That's what you want. Like this stuff is not really for your plants, it's more for your soil, and your soil gives it to your plants. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, matter of fact, let me change the setting on this because that's going nice and slow.
put it in the shower.
I'm gonna put that jug on full. And look at that. See those bubbles? That's crazy. There's no soap in this bucket at all. That is all Bokashi bubbles. Those are a whole bunch of little minute, undetectable living organisms.
Obviously some type of those bubbles.
Yes, they let off that oxygen. But don't it look like the bubbles, it look like there's soap in there, right? That's kind of amazing to me. Alright, so we got our Bokashi water. We just go water them. We just go water them in there.
It's kind of a lot of water.
Just go water them in there. Just go water them in there. Just go water. Water. We still have some water left for whatever Aisha finished planting. She got some strawberries over here, got some watermelon, got some cucumbers. These are plants that we actually got from Home Depot. These plants over here are ones that we actually started from seed. So we're going to have a lot of things this year, so holla at us. You know me? Ain't it right, Isha? Huh? Cause we out here. Janelle, be careful. Make sure the dirt stays in the. How deep are you trying to go, baby? Where are you going?
Deeper down, down.
Bow.
All right. So that's basically it. What we're doing today. We put some seeds in the ground, and we're watering them in. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Cuffee Cultivation. Shout out to everybody who's watched the video so far. Shout out to everyone who's liked and shared and subscribed so far. We love y'all. We think of some type of contest. We're gonna come up with contests. You know, maybe see who can grow the biggest tomatoes or the most tomatoes this year. I mean, try it out one time with your boy. But we out here. We're gonna finish doing what we doing. I'm gonna get Jabari. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get Big Facts. Get his hands dirty real quick.
Nope.
And we out here, man. Hit my music.